So, you've heard about Uphold. Maybe you saw an ad, a friend mentioned it, or you're just trying to figure out where to start with digital assets. It seems like a lot, right? Crypto, stocks, precious metals, all on one platform. It sounds almost too good to be true. At its core, Uphold is a digital money platform. Think of it less like a traditional bank and more like a massive, interconnected network for value. Instead of just holding one type of asset, like cash in a checking account, Uphold allows you to hold, buy, sell, and even transfer a huge variety of assets all from a single account. We're talking over 250 cryptocurrencies, dozens of different national currencies, and even precious metals like gold and silver. The magic happens with what Uphold calls its anything-to-anything trading model. This is the key difference. On most platforms, if you want to trade Bitcoin for Ethereum, you have to sell your Bitcoin for a stablecoin like USDT, then use that to buy Ethereum. It's two separate steps, and you often pay fees twice. With Uphold, you can go directly from Bitcoin to Ethereum in one single transaction. You want to sell some of your gold to buy some Tesla stock? You can do that directly. It's a direct swap, a single step. This not only saves you time, but it also helps simplify your trading strategy. So, how does Uphold make this possible? It's built on a complex internal exchange system. When you initiate a trade, Uphold finds the most efficient path between the two assets, executes the trade on the back end, and credits your account with the new asset. They're constantly working to find the best rates for these direct conversions, aiming to give you a smooth experience. Another big feature is their Uphold card. It's a debit card linked to your account, but with a major twist. You can spend any of the assets you hold. Want to buy coffee with your Bitcoin? You can. Prefer to use the cash you hold in your Euro wallet? No problem. The card automatically liquidates the chosen asset at the point of sale, converting it into the local currency. It gives you real-world utility for all the digital value you hold. Beyond just trading and spending, Uphold also offers features for staking, holding and interest-bearing accounts, and even automated recurring buys to help you dollar-cost average into your favorite assets. It's designed to be a comprehensive financial hub, bridging the gap between traditional finance and the world of digital assets. In short, Uphold is a versatile platform that lets you manage a diverse portfolio of assets in one place, with the unique ability to trade directly between them. It's about more than just crypto, it's about a new way to think about and manage your money.